Lesson 76 of 100 in the Jazz Violin series. As long as I'm bagging on being an elitist and giving warnings, I'm shaking my finger at the camera, I might as well continue this just a little bit in this video. Just because you learn jazz doesn't mean you should be an elitist, and doesn't mean that you should get snobby or snooty and think you're better than everybody else, because you'll be quick to know and learn that, you know, somebody, a rap artist or country artist, can reach more people than your jazz snobbery any day. And reaching people and serving people is really what it's all about. So if you're on the gig and you're playing another style of music, don't be snobby and don't be a bully. Don't start just jamming the most outside jazz stuff you can possibly know over the country tune or in the Cajun tune, or unless it's appropriate, unless there's a spot for it, unless you're taking, remember, because the highest art form is, as I shake my finger again, is not how much you know, but what you do with what you know and how it serves the song and serves the audience, and taking dictation. If you're listening within, your inner voice is probably not going to tell you to play some diminished arpeggio over the top of the 5 chord in a country song. It's probably not going to be doing that. If it does, do it, of course. Always follow that. But chances are you're just trying to be a bully, a musical bully, and push your way over the top of something. That's no fun for anybody. I knew a player who thought he was super famous, and when he played some local gig and did his solo, if the audience wasn't listening in the restaurant when he was playing for like $10, he'd get mad and go right over their table and start blowing the craziest, weirdest stuff just to get him to be trying to put his anger out on the people. That's not music, in my opinion. That's terrible service. So elitism can get the best of you. Don't be a musical bully. Take pride in being part of it. And it is whatever's happening at that moment. It can be whatever band you're in, whatever song is there, whatever vibe is in the room. Even if you've played this song a million times, you get in one room and it might be a whole different vibe to people. Whether even you're into it or not. I've been on gigs where I thought the band kind of didn't play their best. We kind of sucked it up that night. And I've had people come to me, dude, you just changed my life, what you played. And it's like, really? Man, you should have heard us last night. We're way better, I'm thinking, you know. But you never know when you're going to be reaching out and the angels are speaking not to you, but through you sometimes, and just reach out to the right person at the right time. So be humble and don't be a musical bully. And you'll have much better times in music, and you'll also be honing, taking the dictation thing, which even if your preferred style is then jazz, you'll be even better at it when you come back to your preferred style.